Greetings. Hi, my name is Greg Hill. I'm just completing my 10-month follow-up with Dr. Moebi in his office here in Foothill Ranch. I'm just coming off of a wonderful experience the last 10 months of my new hair growth. I had significant hair loss that I noticed sometime into my 40s. I had a consultation with Dr. Moebi in about October of 2009, and probably within about 2 to 3 weeks I was in the chair having my transplant done. It was an excellent experience, end to end, everything as advertised as far as the experience I would have, the reclamation of my hair and the new growth. I'm happy with my results. My wife's happy, my family's happy, I have restored confidence, and really enjoyed the experience. So I urge you to look into it if indeed you're interested, and hopefully you'll have the exact same experience I did.